Hey, I have a demo on conditional formatting. Um, I think y'all saw me working on it a couple weeks ago. We were just adding copy paste, but now I have a new proposal for conditional formatting, which is in lieu of having it apply to a single column at a single time, I decided we should try to work on ranges and make more spreadsheet behavior elsewhere. So here, now you can see you can select a range. It will select, you'll see the selection that you're applying it to. You can also select it on non-contiguous ranges. Format, let's just say title is not empty, and that's going to work on just the applied range. You can also add another rule. Let's say, oh, actually, I don't know. Maybe that's all I want to demo. That's all for now. You guys let me know if this looks good. I also think there's some, I would love some feedback on this formatting if area. So I'm going to hop back in the queue. See you guys later.